Hello, people. Welcome back to Relating You and Me and You to YouTube. Okay, so today I tried a makeup tutorial. She did it. She did it really nice. Like I liked her look, and I thought of just trying it. When she did, it seemed to be so simple, but I guess it was not that simple because you can see I messed it up. I just messed up the whole thing. It is not at all the look that she did. She did an awesome job. I'll be dropping a link in the description box for her makeup tutorial. Trust me, if you're interested in makeup, if you love makeup, that has to be done. That makeup tutorial has to be done. It's awesome. Okay, so today's video is not about makeup tutorial. Basically, my video will be how to stay happy. I would like to give you some tips of how to stay happy. Now, the first thing to stay happy is always be positive. Whenever you are doing something, it is important that you started on a positive note, because being when you started on a positive note, that itself gives you the key to success. So always when you're doing something, please see to it that you started on a positive note. Don't have that thought in the mind at the very first point that it's not going to happen. Please start it with a positive note, because this itself will give you the confidence. It will boost you up to do the things. So just be positive. Will be to live in your present. At times just forget everything. It's fine to have a break. Just have a break from your daily life and give time to yourself. It's completely fine if you don't go to your work for one day. It's completely fine. It might just be needed to give you that smile, to make you happy, to make you feel better. So just live in present. So basically the third thing that comes in the picture is do what makes you happy. Makeup makes me happy, dancing makes me happy, so I do that. So at times do what makes you happy. Try to chase your dreams. Go for your dreams. Don't just do something just for the sake of doing it. And the fourth point is surround yourself with positive people. It is very important that people around you are also positive, because you just being positive might not just help. If people around you are not that motivating, then it becomes really difficult for you to even think positive. So it is important that you accompany people who are positive. And the fifth point is be with yourself. Stop searching your happiness in others. Nowadays you always go and find happiness in others. You try to be happy with your friends, you try to be happy with your boyfriend or anything like this. Basically you search happiness in others. See, it is not always possible that you might get what you want. So the best thing at that very moment to do is to find happiness in yourself, to see what are you doing, how can you make yourself happy. Basically pamper yourself. When you yourself can pamper yourself best. So find happiness in yourself. See, I being a teacher, my principal once took a meeting wherein she told us that now it is a generation where people don't appreciate each other very easily. It becomes a really big task for someone to appreciate. I don't know why, but people don't appreciate. So at times pat yourself and say yourself you did a good job. When you say that to you, trust me, you will really feel nice. Now the last point is going to be let go. Everything in the world is not that important. Some things might not be that important. Everything does not matter to you. Think what is important for you. Whatever you are thinking about, whatever thing is stressing you, first decide whether that thing is important for you or not. And if it is not important, just let it go. Please let it go. It's fine. If you like my video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to keep listening to me, the only thing you have to do is subscribe.